Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch Lite. It's important to know that Roblox is not officially supported on the Nintendo Switch Lite, meaning you won't find it in the eShop. While there are no official plans for a native version, some players explore unofficial workarounds to access Roblox content. These methods, however, come with certain limitations and potential risks that you should be aware of before proceeding. We will delve into these options in the following slides. One unofficial method involves using a hidden web browser on your Switch Lite. To do this, go to your system settings, then Internet settings, and change your DNS from automatic to manual. For the primary DNS, input 045.055.142.122. After saving and attempting to connect, you should be redirected to a special browser page. From there, you can try searching for roblox.com or a cloud gaming service like now.gg to access Roblox. Be aware that performance may be limited. A more complex, unofficial method is installing Android OS on your Switch Lite. This requires a compatible, unpatched console and an SD card of at least 16 gigabytes. You'll need to back up your Switch's data, format the SD card, and then download specific files like Hecate and Lineage OS from reputable sources. After installing Android, you can access the Google Play Store to download Roblox. However, this process is technical, may void your warranty, and is generally recommended only for users comfortable with modifying their console's software. It's crucial to understand that using unofficial methods to play Roblox on your Switch Lite comes with risks. You might encounter performance issues, system instability, or even void your console's warranty. For a seamless and optimized experience, Roblox is officially available on many platforms, including personal computers, Mac, Xbox, PlayStation, and mobile devices like phones and tablets. We highly recommend playing on these supported platforms for the best gameplay. Always keep an eye on official announcements from Roblox and Nintendo for any future developments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.